Afternoon, family. Ham's Loft. It's Saturday, about 5:30. Just got off from work. I'm still on vacation, of course, but I caught a couple extra days of extra work, so might as well take advantage of a little money since I spent some. All right, I'm gonna get my thing so I can show you how we did. That bird I did the toss. He just happened to came in yesterday, this morning, but it was already locked down and I was on my way to work. So we're gonna see. It's a young bird. The hawk was out here this morning, so that's probably why he wasn't out when I got back from work. But let's show you how the update we did on the bird lockdown. All right, people, that bird got left out so you can see. He's trying to figure out why he can't get in. And I'll show you the little adjustments that I made. Guess I could take it right here. I put I ran the plywood all the way across, and then I put little eye hooks in it. 1, 2, 4, 6 of them, and then I just put a clamp on it. I need some more of these, but they go on all of them. It's a little trying to get used to doing it. It works pretty easy. I'm gonna still fly like I can right now. I'm gonna still have my two antennas right there. This part is gonna be closed off. I'm gonna fix it probably in the next couple of days, but I'm not gonna change the opening, not until after race season. But it's definitely a lockdown. Nothing get in. Hell, I can barely turn the things to get it loose. It just fits directly on. And then what I'm gonna do after race season, I'm gonna put some hinges on it and just let it close down, and then lift right back up and land on the top of the coop like that. That way I can close it every night, and it's an easy close. All right, that's we ain't got no birds out except for the one on top. Gonna give him some food. This guy should come right down. He's been out all day, running from the hawk probably. I did get hit by the hawk the other day. Well, I ain't gonna say the other day. I got hit by the hawk yesterday. He caught a bird. I ran outside. He had the bird right here on the ground. And believe it or not, he had just caught it And he let it go. It went back in the coop, and the Cooper, Mr. Cooper, took off. It was a female Cooper. Had her orange breast, so she was pretty big. Big for most. All right, comment, subscribe, and do what you do. Peace.